So we've got a Audi S6 coming, turbo failure. So you can see the turbos are gone. Know that to do this job you're gonna have to remove the whole front of the vehicle, headlights, bumpers, lamp panel, etc. Use the front panel here. You can see the front panel swinging. Catch it at some maximum stance. The intake manifold's gonna have to come off. Intake manifold runs from here across here and consists of the breather box as well.
2 litre, GTR came in 1.8 turbo and 2 litre, that's a 2 litre.
So the complete heater box.
Yeah, no turbo, nothing.
So this consists of your
Yeah.
air to water, intercooler,
It's,
breather box, intake manifold.
yeah.
Okay. So that's going to free up the whole of this area here. The reason you pull the front panel is to get to the bolts for the intake manifold. Here and here. Then next thing you're going to need to do, plates on the top. You can see the plates here. Some of these pipes are going to come out. Managed to get the 2.0 feeds out, which run down to here. Oil drains, they come off easy. Couldn't get one of the coolant feeds couldn't come out, and both of the coolant returns couldn't come out. So we've got to chop these two, they're going to have to get replaced. This will have to get replaced. Around the back you've got your 5 bolts on each cap. Fairly easy to pull, just a few extensions. A couple bolts on a bracket here behind these pipes. That's the support bracket for the turbo. And then if you pull off the EGR that was here, that will give you access to the last manifold bolt inside here. And your turbo should be nice and free, ready to come off. Stay tuned for the next video.